It's your girl Chenellebeauty, and I'm coming back with another Goodwill haul. I found me a lot of little cute things. This is going to be a small haul though, because it's mostly just shoes and purses and like a couple of items for clothing, so y'all stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show is some nice white sandals that I got from Goodwill. I think I paid like maybe about $3.99 to $4.99 at most. But these are the cute sandals that I found. It's very heavy though at the bottom. It's like a heavy wood, whatever you call this part. It's really heavy. But they are very cute and they were a good buy. I think I kind of still have the tag on it. Okay, so this was actually like $6.96. But they're shoes, they're sandals, so I mean, shoes normally cost about that at Goodwill. So I got those, and then I also got these black pairs of sandals. Really cute. Will come in handy when you just need something real quick to put on, like some sandals. And yeah, this is this doesn't have the price on it, but it's about $6.96 as well. And as you can see, it's really cute. It has the thong just like the white ones. These are more plain, of course, but they're very comfortable and it's light. It's not like heavy shoes like the white ones. So these are the two pairs of shoes that I got, some sandals. I'm trying to think if I want to go back and see if they got boots, because I have so many boots from Goodwill that I don't even know if I need anymore. Maybe I'll just go to see if I can find like color boots and things like that. So yeah, I probably will be going back like later on to see like what they have and everything, but I really don't feel like I need any more boots, so I don't even know if I'm going to do like a shoe haul for Goodwill for like the winter. Anyway, this is like one of my favorite items from Goodwill that I had found over like in the luggage section. In the purse section, it's this cute pink Barbie looking like carry-on bag, like an overnight bag. So when I travel again, which just reminded me I have something else that I need to show. So when I travel again, I can have this cute little carry-on. It's cute in size. It's almost like a doggy bag, it looks like. And then the inside is pretty spacious. It's no pockets on the inside. But I paid, y'all, I paid $3.97. I don't even know if y'all can see that. I paid $3.97 for this bag. And it's gonna come in handy, or just when I'm going to my boo thing house, cute little overnight bag. So y'all already know. So that reminds me of something else I need to buy. Next thing I got is real big. I'm not gonna be able to show the full thing on my little camera, but the next thing I got, I paid $8.97 for, and I was in the need of this. But y'all, I got me a cute luggage bag, as y'all can see. And this also came from Goodwill in the same section that I got the pink bag, but I got them on two different occasions. So, you know, I paid $8.97. This is like the tag for it or whatever. $8.97. It comes with a lot of little pockets, like 2 pockets on the front, a lot of pockets in the back. Yeah, so it's gonna come in handy for when I take my next trip. You know, big bags. We like big bags over here. So I'm so happy that I invested in that. I only really need, I don't travel often, so I only really need a carry-on in a luggage bag. So I got those ready to go for my next vacation, because I will be taking one hopefully soon. I'm in a need of another vacation. I haven't went out the state and traveled to like a destination since 2017, so I am desperately in a need for that. But I probably won't be able to take it honestly until like the beginning of next year. The next thing I got is this cute silver bag, and it's like a snake alligator skin design, and it comes with a cute strap, as y'all can see, and then the back looks like this. So yeah, I got this, and then in the inside, $3.97 for the bag. In the inside, it's not a lot going on. It's like a smaller pocket, and then that bigger section. But I thought this was so cute. My mom actually seen it and she brought it home to me, so this will come in handy just when I need something cute. I never had a silver bag, especially that's dressy. So when I'm like dressed up and stuff, I could wear something like this. That will come in handy. The next bag I got about 4 bags. It's just this everyday crossover bag, as y'all can see. And I actually got a brown dress that will go with this bag perfectly, and it has gold in it as well. So I will wear it with this dress that you will see later on. And this purse is $4.97, probably, I guess, because it's like leather. I don't know. But yeah, it comes with like the bigger pocket. It comes with this like smaller section that folds over, and then it comes with a back pocket. So I probably won't wear that often, but it comes in handy like with the dress and everything. So the next thing I got is this little like wallet bag that's $1.97, and it's kind of like a grayish, I guess you could say like a grayish green color, and it comes with a strap. So I kind of call it like a wallet purse, but it's really just a wallet, but it comes with a long strap. So when you don't need, you know, a lot of stuff going out, you just like run into the store or something, this comes in handy. It's just a regular wallet, and then it comes with like a bigger section. You put like your other stuff, like maybe your phone or something. So I got this to go with just any outfit, kind of will go with this shirt, you know, with some jeans. So yeah, this is $1.97. Okay, so the next bag I got is one of my other favorite bags. It's this red bag. I haven't had like a small red bag, but if you see my Go Jane and Chenellebeauty haul, you know that I had got like the bigger red bag. This is a smaller bag that's red, and I wear it with like all white, or I mean wear it with like some jeans or something like that. So yeah, it's really cute. Come with a long strap, but you can take the strap off too and hold it like this. I do that a lot. I really don't use the strap. The inside is all black mainly, and it comes with like 3 like compartments. So yeah, you can fit a lot in here. It doesn't have the price on it still, but I think I only paid like $3.97 for this bag. But it's so cute, y'all, and I love it, and I have been using this bag pretty often. So yeah, that was a good bag. Okay, so going on into the clothes. One thing my mom too also found, she really got this for herself, but then she found out that it was like a small. So it's like this romper, this really cute romper. It's like cotton, and it has this cute design. I don't know if it has still the price on it, but I would say like the most is probably like $6. So I can't wait to wear this, and it will kind of go either cute with my white bag from Fashion Nova, or I may can put it with this. I love like all white and then like the red bag. I like that look. So yeah, I have this romper. It's really cute. And then the next one I got was something I picked out myself when I went there, but it's very like the first romper. But as you can see, this romper is short sleeve, the other one is long sleeve, and this is the front. Actually, I'm just noticing it has pockets, so that's cute. Really comfortable, dainty when you want to kind of be like real feminine. That's a good buy. $6.96 probably for that romper as well. I have wore that a couple times. And then I got this flannel shirt, and I don't even know if it still has the price again, but this is from Perfectly Soft Flannel. I don't see the brand, but isn't it so cute, y'all? And it looks new. They took very care of this flannel. I can't wait to wear it for like fall, winter. So cute. Will match very well with this bag with some cute jeans. So I cannot wait, and I could wear it with like the red slides I got from Go Jane, or maybe my black boots that I got from Goodwill. Y'all, I cannot wait. So yeah, this shirt probably was, again, like, since it's a flannel and it looks new, I would say like maybe $5. And then I also found another flannel on another day that I went, and this one is just as cute. Wear it with the red bag, and I think I actually may still have the, no, I don't have the price on here still. But this is from Merona, M-E-R-O-N-A. And yeah, it's another flannel that will go very cute with this bag. Yeah, I'm gonna be so cute for fall and winter, like, period. So cute. I also got this dress. It may need washing, but I also got this dress from Goodwill that comes with like, it comes with this waist belt that kind of connects like that. And then the shoulders are out like that. And I may insert pictures of it because I did have to unfortunately end up wearing this to one of my friends' funerals. She died like a week or two after I got that dress, so I ended up wearing that dress, and that's like the only time I wore it. But the dress probably was like $6 to $7, probably because it's like a good thick material and it has like the gold hardware in the front. So it's a cute dress. It came handy when I needed it, because I think I had other black dresses, but I like wore it to other places and stuff, so that came in handy. And I'm always iffy about buying black dresses because, you know, I just feel like stuff happens after that. So I did wear that, and I have one more outfit that I'm gonna show y'all. And then this dress I also got from Goodwill. This is what I was saying will match that brown purse with the gold hardware. It's just this regular dress. I think it was like $4, $5. And it fits so cute. It's very comfortable. It's ribbed. It's very like the dresses that I get from Mad Rag. And yeah, I just thought it was so cute. So I did get this, and this will also go very cute either just with the boots for like winter, or with like some black tights or something. I think that would be so cute, or like maybe some beige tights if I can find some. So I did get this as well at Goodwill the last time I went. Alright y'all, so that completes my haul. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Share this video with your family, your friends, and your boo thing. If I was a little off today, I do apologize. That's why I actually haven't posted in a while. It's because I haven't been feeling my best, but you know, this is kind of like the first day that I kind of been feeling like myself. So I wouldn't say that I'm having symptoms of COVID, but I just haven't been feeling as energized. I've been really exhausted and dehydrated, and so I just been kind of taking care of myself and resting and things like that. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all in the next video.